Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is William, and we'll be discussing how to invest in stocks for beginners. We'll break down stocks and how they work in simple terms. So let's dive right in. All right, let's start with the basics. Stocks, also known as shares or equities, represent ownership in a publicly traded company. When you own stocks, you own a piece of that company and you become a shareholder. It's like owning a tiny part of your favorite video game studio. When you buy shares of a company's stock, you become a shareholder. This means you have a claim on a portion of the company's assets and earnings. The more shares you own, the larger your ownership stake in the company. It's like having more puzzle pieces to complete the big picture. Companies issue stocks to raise capital for various purposes. They use this money to expand their operations, invest in research and development, or even pay off debt. By buying stocks, investors like you and me provide company with the funds it needs to grow and achieve its goals. It's like crowdfunding a project you believe in. Most stocks are bought and sold on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. These exchanges provide a platform for buyers and sellers to trade shares. Stock prices can go up and down throughout the trading day based on how many people want to buy or sell a particular stock. Speaking of stock prices, they are determined by the market through the forces of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock, its price tends to rise. Conversely, if more people want to sell it, the price tends to fall. It's like a game of tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. Some companies share their profits with their shareholders through dividends. Think of dividends as your reward for being a shareholder. They're typically paid on per share basis, so the more shares you own, the more dividends you receive. It's like getting a slice of that company's profits. In addition to dividends, you can make money by selling your shares at a higher price than you initially paid. This is called capital appreciation. Investors often buy stocks with the expectation that the company's value will increase over time, allowing them to sell their shares at a profit. It's like buying a rare collectible and selling it when it's worth more. Now let's talk about the not so fun part, risks. Investing in stocks carries risks. Stock prices can be like a roller coaster, going up and down rapidly. Companies may also face financial challenges or even go out of business, potentially causing investors to lose their entire investment. It's like playing a challenging level in a game. You might win big, but there's also a chance of losing. Despite the risks, the stock market has historically shown a tendency to grow over the long term. Investments in well-established companies have the potential to increase in value over time. This is why many people invest in stocks as a way to build wealth for the future. It's like planting a tree that grows taller and stronger over the years. To reduce risk, many investors diversify their stock portfolios. Diversification is like having a variety of snacks, chips, cookies, and fruit in case one doesn't taste great. By owning shares in multiple companies across different industries, you can spread risks and minimize the impact of poor performance by a single company. Before you jump into stocks, it's essential to do your homework. It's like studying for a test or checking out game reviews before buying a new video game. Learn about the companies, industries, and market conditions. Investors use various tools and methods to analyze stocks, like looking at companies' financial health or studying historical stock price patterns. So there you have it, the world of stocks explained in simple terms. What kind of stocks are you investing, or what's your favorite stock? Drop them in the comments below. Remember, investing is a journey. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe for more engaging and educational content.